Okay, hi guys. Happy Christmas. Comment in the section what you got for Christmas, but there's one problem. I'm quite ill, so yeah. Every time I laugh at a funny video, I do this. What do you think that sounds like, eh? Whoopsie. Anyway, I'll be back in a moment. Just a minute, I just had to put those lights on. Anyway. It came. So, Merry Christmas, and hopefully you have a very good, happy New Year. If 2017 is good or bad to me, I'll just say, oh, 2017 is not that good. Or I can just say, yeah, 2016 is good. I'm gonna do this. This.